Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trips tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get MrBeast in Infinite Craft. So what you can do is just need to put fire right here, and on this fire, let's just put in here water. Now we have steam and add another fire to that in order to have engine. Now on this engine, let's proceed to have another steam, and now we have train. Now on this train that we have created right here, next thing we need to do is to just put in here fire. Now on this fire, let's put another engine. And now in here, we just need to merge engine with the train in order to have this locomotive right here. So if you think that you need to do next is to just put in here another train, and in here, let's put another engine to another engine right here. Now since we have this rocket right here, let's proceed to put another elements into here, and then let's put them together in order to have a bullet train right here. So since we have a bullet train now, next thing we need to do is just head over it and then try to put another element into them. So let's try to move this aside for now, and then from in them, just head over and then get another element on this board that we have right here. Let's put rocket right here and let's add another rocket. Now we have satellite, and then we merge them together in order to have internet. So since we have internet right now, we are getting near to getting MrBeast since his association on the internet right now. Next thing we need to do is we need to add another element in order to make this possible. So put fire right here and put earth in here. We have lava, and then put water in them in order to have stone. Now put steam on that stone. Now we have here geyser. So since we have geyser right here, next thing we need to do is we just need to head over and then add another element, or you can just merge them together in order to make it. Now we have YouTube right here. Now let's put earth, and then let's put another earth, and we have mountain. And on this mountain right here, next thing we need to do is we just need to put in here another water and another water. Now we have lake. And on this lake right here, we just need to merge them on the mountain in order to have fjord. And then from in this fjord right here that we have, we need to add another element in order to create another one that can put us into MrBeast. So put water on this, and we have whale. On this whale right here, we will have earth, and then let's add wind right here, and then we have in here this two, and we have this earth. Now let's put dust on that. We have baby. And on this baby, let's put that on YouTube, and we have YouTuber. Next thing we need to do is we just need to head over and add another element that we have. Let's add in here lake and another lake in order to make an ocean. And let's add fire and water in order to make a steam. Or you can add another fire in here in order to make engine. Another thing that you can do is you can make fire and fire in order to have this too. And you can also put in here fire and wind in order to make a smoke. So once you have a smoke, let's put in here another smoke in order to have a cloud. So since we have this tree right now, we are ready to put another fire, and we have lighting. Put that ocean, we have squid. And on the squid, let's proceed to adding here internet. So once you have added internet right here, as you can see, we have now squid game. And on the squid game right here, next thing we need to do is we just need to merge them together, and now we have MrBeast. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.